Welcome to Gather Here. My name's Turland from Bondi Harvest and we are in the south of France. There is no better place on the globe to go on a food and wine trail. Synonymous for its gorgeous fruity rosé and amazing produce, we're here to put on a dinner for a bunch of local friends. I'm so excited to be in the south of France. France has so many gorgeous historical buildings. The towns are stunning and the chateau completely blew my mind. I think we've found our dinner location. Wow. I envision the guests coming up these grand old stairs. A table has to sit right here. It's going to be filled with gorgeous flowers, amazing local produce, beautiful wine. But first things first, let's check out the kitchen. We'll go inside. Wow, this is my dream kitchen. I can't wait to get some produce in here and start cooking an amazing feast. Cheers.
Oh, it's a good rosé.
How crisp and refreshing is that? That's going to be awesome on the menu.
So what do you think? What are you going to match it with?
I'm thinking, the Prophecy wine's got a beautiful sort of layered melon and red fruit in there. And the area is renowned for duck.
Oh, duck,
Whole
yeah.
roasted. Goat's cheese is renowned here as well. So we have to use goat cheese and duck.
I really like the label. I think the table could really reflect that label nicely.
You know what we should do? We should dress it with some wild herbs.
Yeah.
I think it'd match the label really nicely.
It's a plan.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
The beautiful rural landscape and breathtaking scenery here is amazing. I'm excited to explore the region to see what I can find and gather for our dinner. This is Joël Gauthier, a man of many goats. Wow, that's awesome. So many beautiful goats. Way too cute.
Dans cette petite exploitation, on a 80 laitières et à peu près une trentaine de chevrettes de renouvellement.
Yeah.
Et parce que les chèvres sont sur des parcours, elles pâturent à l'extérieur en majorité, quoi. Donc c'est ce qui favorise le goût du fromage. On essaye de rester naturel.
The goat farm's been in the family for 5 generations and is still producing this beautiful cheese. We're heading over to give it a try and I can't wait. Guy, nice to meet you.
Enchanté.
Shall we have a taste? I'm so excited. Jacinta and Joël offer 3 different ages of goat's cheese. This gorgeous goat's cheese is going to be super important for our first course. This is Bernard, and he's very proud of his ducks. How long have you been farming here for?
11 years.
11 years?
Yeah.
Wow. Bernard implements a really interesting form of crop rotation, using rice, alfalfa, and then ducks. The ducks go through and forage and eat the bugs, and their droppings fertilise the soil.
Les canards sont un maillon de la chaîne. C'est un système globalisé où la préparation du sol, la présence des canards dans le riz sont une association permanente. Et c'est cette symbiose qui fait l'originalité du processus.
It's such a beautiful method. And smiles on all their beaks, look at them.
Absolument.
The ducks are completely free to be ducks. They're free to eat bugs, they're free to roam around, get muddy. And that's what I love to see as a chef. You have to use duck in France. We're heading in the forest to find ourselves some wild herbs for the table and for our gorgeous dinner. Stuff some duck with herbs, delicious. Today is a big day. We've got heaps of gorgeous local produce and it's such a gorgeous day out here. I'm gonna cook outside. Ratatouille is, a real celebration of good veg, a lot of gorgeous produce. The herbs are so fresh. They've got like this essential oil that gets stuck to your fingers. That's when you know it's the good stuff. So I'm gonna line the veg into this beautiful tomato sauce so that from above, it's beautiful cross section, all the colors are shown off and it's homage to, how stunning these ingredients are. These are Bernard's beautiful ducks. They're gonna taste amazing. So I'm gonna stuff it with some herbs, like beautiful foraged herbs, and some orange and duck, classic flavor combination. It's gonna add a whole new level of flavor. Put the duck in the oven. I deserve a glass of rosé. Ratatouille's cooking, the duck is in the oven. I've got a lot of gorgeous food coming out, guests are arriving, a lot to do. I'm so excited and hungry.
Tu passes. Ça va pas marcher. Wow! C'est joli. C'est magnifique. Santé, passez une bonne soirée.
Bonjour. Thank you for coming, guys. This dinner is a reflection of the area. It's a reflection of you guys. The south of France is heavenly. To start, we have a charcuterie board and we have Joel and Jacinta's beautiful goat's cheese. And then we'll roll on to some gorgeous duck and some dessert. Enjoy, have a glass of wine. I'll be out very soon.
Merci beaucoup.
Donc on commence avec la charcuterie. Regardez. Attention, regarde.
Oh, wow. Bravo Guy.
Your gorgeous duck.
Ça c'est bon.
So delicious. Oui. So we've cooked it for about 2 and a bit hours. It's been stuffed with orange, a whole bunch of local foraged herbs. Drink up and enjoy.
Merci Guy. Très bon. Ce sont nos canards.
All our guests are out there enjoying their main course, and I'm in here getting dessert ready. Creme anglaise, poached meringue, and a bit of caramel on top, also known as a floating island. It's delicious, and it's the perfect way to finish our meal. And last and definitely not least, I just want to say thank you so much for having me. Thank you for showing me around. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed dinner.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you very much. Merci.
Cheers. Cheers. Bon appétit. How special has the south of France been? Gorgeous, gorgeous rosé, amazing produce, awesome stories and friendly people. It doesn't get any better. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out all the other episodes together here. I'll see you soon. Cheers.